Hey, what's up, everyone? It's that time again to get paid with Apex. I have got 4 funded accounts that I have gotten over the safety net and got some requests approved already. As you can see, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. And this one I put in today because it's the last day on the 20th, and I just got this one over the safety net. The other ones I crawled over. I have varying degrees of payouts because some I want to leave a little bit more cushion on, and some I take a little bit more. Just depends on how much I got over the safety net. But I got 6,000 coming to me, and my first 2,000 I already got that a couple weeks ago. So a total of $8,000 so far with Apex. Not so bad. I'm gonna go over all my tips and strategies on how I go over what kind of trades I take and all that stuff. And I do all that too on stream and in my Discord. So if you want to come hang out with me there, either place, I really don't care. Come hang out. I'll answer your questions. I like hanging out and talking about trading. I could talk about it all day long. So yeah, that's pretty good stuff here with Apex. I also got a new account with Uprofit. I'm going to show you here. Boom, got my live credentials today. I passed that one in like 3 days, and I think I had a 100% win rate on that. Let me go ahead and show this here. Got my elite trader payouts as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and go over my journey with Apex so far. I started back January 23rd. Did a quick little 3-day update and talked about my trades on 3 days in, and then 7 days in. I probably could have done a little bit more update videos, but yeah, I got some update videos there. So if you want to go watch those, I talk about the trades I took to keep me green and all those. I will go over my account summary and all that. Where's that at here? Account summary. So here we are. As you can see, I am a firm believer in slow and steady wins the race. I don't care how long it takes me to get paid. I'm just going to take my sweet time and focus mainly on getting paid and keeping my accounts for the long haul. I know so many people struggle with this. They will, take a bunch of challenges. Maybe eventually they'll pass. They don't really have a really good strategy on how they do it. They get lucky maybe. Maybe they catch some good moves here and there. They catch some good trades. And they get a little overexcited. They get their funded account and then they blow up, right? They don't even keep it 2, 3 days, 4 days. Not even close to, what I'm doing here, 27 days, or right, whatever is what I got going for my longest days. 27 days, no blowing up, keeping my accounts the long haul, and taking my paydays and getting my accounts over the safety net. And then eventually I take some more challenges and wait for good setups on those and take those at the right time. So I'm not gambling, I'm speculating. It's a big difference. Taking a good opportunity, high probability trade and pushing it a little bit, just a little bit when you got a challenge going on. Not doing that on the funded, taking my sweet time on the funded, catching $100-$200 winning days here and there, as you can see. All right, this is my where I got a payout. That a big dip down below, it's a payout, $2,000. Had to pay it myself. As you can see, $200 winning days. If I have a losing day, it's not too big. It's $300, $400. There's a $500 losing day. And then I have, a good winning day. I catch it back. And then I have most of my days are just, $100, $200, $300 winning days. And if I have a loser, I get it back. I wait for the best trades, and I just do that patiently. And here's my one account that I got one little risky, bad trade day or whatever it was. I think I did that on stream as well. I was getting caught up in pretend trends is what I call them, chasing it around a little bit here and there, getting stopped out. I went through a string of losers. All traders go through them. Luckily, it was not on all my accounts. It was just on one. I didn't have the trade copier going with all of it. It was just a bad day. Basically, it was like 3 trades in a row. It was just loser after loser after loser, and I call it a day. I did that on stream. It was a Friday, actually, and I hate having red days on Fridays. It's like the worst feeling, but that was like my last real red day. So yeah, I got out of the hole. I didn't even trade it every day. You just get out of the hole whenever you can. You wait for some good setups, and I've already pretty much got out of the hole, pretty much back to break even on that account. Had a good day today as well. And that's one of the beauties of having lots of accounts, right? I get asked this question all the time. What do you do with all your accounts? How do you trade all your accounts? Like, how is it stressful? Are you able to handle it? How do you handle it? And there's, it's a double-edged sword. There's good things to it. There's bad things to it. But honestly, the good outweighs the bad by far. If you have an account that's in the red, you kind of just put it on the back burner. You wait a little bit. You don't have to trade it right away. You can wait for a good trendy day or some good setups that you like. And if you have an account that is waiting to get your first payout or second payout or whatever, you got it over the 10 days, you've got some good moves, you've already got money ready to come to you, just got to wait for that withdrawal request date, you can put that on the back burner and trade some other accounts, right? That's just what's great about having lots of accounts. And sometimes it does get hard to juggle lots of accounts. I get it, and I have that issues. Honestly, I have 3 laptops going. I'm trading on all my laptops, different funded accounts, Uprofit, Elite. Like I showed earlier, I got my Uprofit account, another one, and I really like them, and I like Elite, and Tick Trader is good too. A lot of people are always like bashing Tick Trader. There's nothing wrong with them. Yeah, you do have to wait 40 days to get your payout with them, right? But you get your funded account pretty quickly. Just like with Apex, 7 days is not so bad. 10 days to get payout. So they all have their perks and their pluses and minuses. And well, this video is about Apex, so we're gonna keep going over Apex. All my accounts, $100, $200 a day, $100, $200 a day, and I'm reserving my capital, waiting for some really good moves, and then capitalizing on them. So many people I've talked to will not be able to do that because they're booming and busting, like Mark Douglas said. They can't have the capital reserve because they're going big all the time. It's like playing poker. You're not going to go big all the time, right? Because you don't have good hands all the time. That's kind of how I see trading as well. I'm waiting patiently, and most of the time with trading, you don't get good hands all the time. You don't get the A+ setup trades all the time. But if you're a patient, disciplined trader and you can wait for those good trade setups and you're able to spot them, then man, if you have your capital ready to go, you can see I had a nice good day. It was 1,000, just multiple times. Those will make your week, right? Most of the time, I'm happy with getting $200 a day. Like today, it was kind of choppy. It's just like one big freaking W on the screen. There's no trend. There's no clear up or down. It's just a big swinging up and down rangy day. So that's what I did today. I just got $200 times. Oh my gosh, I don't know how many accounts I've got going on every day, but I think I traded every one of my accounts. Anyways, so yeah. Most of these accounts I haven't had for a very long time because I started off with 4 and then I got it to 7 and then I got it to 11, and right now I'm trading 11 funded, and next week I'm going to get 3 more funded, and that will give me a grand total of 14 50K accounts and 150K account, and then I will go for 6 more to get my total of 20 Apex accounts. It's going to be pretty sweet. Gonna keep you guys updated on the long haul on how I trade, and you'll be seeing 27 days, but pretty eventually you'll be seeing 57 days, 80 days, whatever. Get those 3 months and get past those 3 months, have unrestricted withdrawals, except for the 2 times of the month that you have to withdraw. And I will make some more videos on those as well. So everything's been going pretty smooth with Apex, from passing to payouts. It is a big deal. All the payments go through deals, so that makes it more legit and more quick. I get my payouts pretty quickly. I've already got my first one. No qualms, no issues, no worries, no ands, ifs, or buts. Got my payout fast. And I'm waiting to get my next 6K here. They're all approved except for one, which I just got over the safety net today. I put my request in. Thankfully, right in the last bit of time, and I should get that one as well for 6K. That's it for this video. Got my Apex withdrawal coming to me, 6K for a total of 8K. Not bad for starting my journey back in January 23rd. And it's now March 20th, so a little less than 2 months. I'll leave a link in the description for all my funded accounts that I'm funded with, and if you want to get funded, go ahead and click the link. Save 80 is what you will type in for Apex and get the 80% off. I think tomorrow's the last day, so look out for that. It is a good deal. All right, see you guys.